Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate Facebook account. So first thing you have to do is open up your Facebook account. Once you open it up, you can click on those three horizontal line you can see on the left side on your screen. So you click on settings and privacy right here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to click on settings again. If you click on settings, it's going to bring you to your settings, right? And you click on center, account center. Once you click on account center, you scroll down to manage accounts. Click on that and you're going to click on the account you want to manage, you want to deactivate. Click on this manage right there and you're going to see deactivation or deletion. Click on that. Once you click on that, you're going to see deactivate account or delete account. So you definitely deactivating your account. So you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you're going to be asked to input your password. So once you input your password, your account is going to be deactivated for 30 days, right? So will be deactivated, sorry, as long as when you want to reactivate it again. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.